Hi, I'm Peter Schultz from WP Data Access. In this tutorial, I'll introduce you to the app builder. I'll show you how to create an app and how to use the available builders. My goal is to help you understand the basics. First, open your WP Data Access dashboard and click the app builder icon on the menu bar. If you're just starting out, your app list will be empty like mine. To create a new app, click the Create New App icon on the toolbar and select your app type. For this demo, I'll create a data administration app. The process is similar for other types. Select Start Wizard to continue. The wizard will guide you through several steps. The required steps depend on the app type, but the overall concept is the same. Step 1 is to provide the basic app information. Give your app a unique name and descriptive title. The title will be displayed in the app's header. Although the plugin is in English, your apps can run in 36 different languages. Simply choose your preferred language from the drop-down menu. You can also create custom language packs to redefine labels and hints. Once created, your pack will appear in the list. Step 2 for a data administration app is to select a data source. Choose a database and a table from the lists. Your Wordpress database is selected by default, but you can connect to other local and remote databases as well. You can select a table or view from the list, or just start typing the name of your table or view. Once you've chosen a table or view, its columns will be listed. Typically, you'll select all columns. You can decide which columns to hide in the table and form views later in the builders. Only remove columns here if they contain sensitive data that you don't want to share at all. This ensures that data is never included in server responses, keeping it completely private. The final step is to set authorization. For data administration apps, we advise limiting access to specific WordPress roles or users. In this demo, I'll restrict access to administrators only. Click Finish to complete app creation. Your new app now appears in the app builder list. To manage its settings, click the Manage link or icon. This opens the App Manager. Here you can modify any details from the wizard. The App Manager also lets you publish your app on the backend or frontend as explained in our online documentation. Every app is created using plugin defaults. To start customizing it, click the Run and Build link or icon. Builder icons are available on the toolbar. Clicking the builder icon for a table opens the table builder. This is where you can customize your table's appearance and behavior. By default, a table has View, Edit and Delete icons for each row. These are row actions. Let's remove some icons in the row actions section. Not all columns are visible because the table's width is too small. To allow users to quickly view all columns for a specific row, we can add a detail panel. More options like column selection and detail panel styling are available in the detail panel section. The default bulk actions menu doesn't allow users to delete rows. Let's enable that in the bulk actions section. These are just a few examples. The table builder has numerous configuration options. Most changes in the builders are reflected instantly on the front end. Some major feature changes may require you to reload the app. Each builder has a menu. The table builder menu contains 6 menu items. The columns menu allows you to change individual column settings. You can modify a column's label, visibility, searchability, sortability, and alignment directly in the overview. Expanding a column settings gives you access to many more options. To change the column order, simply drag the column to another position. Charts and maps can be integrated through their corresponding menu items. Hooks are meant for developers who want to customize the plugin's behavior at specific predefined spots. Layout and style management is available via the theme menu. Some settings, like changing the app color in the themes menu, require just a simple mouse click. Others, like map and chart integration, need specific configuration. More in-depth information is available in our online documentation. All builders and their menus work similarly. Once you understand the concept, you should find your way around easily. Since we created a data administration app, users can perform transactions on our table data. Clicking the New Row button allows a user to insert a new row. Clicking the Edit button allows them to edit an existing row. Clicking the Builder icon opens the Form Builder. Changing settings here works just like in the Table Builder. You can, for example, change the grid or hide buttons. Like the Table Builder, the Form Builder also has a Builder menu and a Columns menu item. Here you can change a column's label, visibility, updatability and alignment directly in the overview. Use the handle to drag a column to another position, or expand the column settings for many more options. In this tutorial, we've only just scratched the surface of what's possible. Before we finish, let me preview a few more powerful features. Enable full screen mode for focused workflows. Localize numeric values, dates and currencies. Add prefixes and suffixes. Use lookups to display meaningful information instead of raw IDs. Add a global filter to search across all data. Implement different types of column filters, like search boxes and list boxes for intuitive filtering. And multi-select list boxes for flexible data selection. Enable aggregations like sum, average, count and more. Use hooks to add custom actions and logic. Access full row context within hooks for complex operations. Build flexible dynamic form grids and much more. The best way to learn is to try it yourself. Our builders are designed to be user-friendly. For in-depth information on all these features and more, please explore our comprehensive online documentation. That's it. I hope this tutorial helps you to get started with the app builder. Thank you for watching.